Joshua.
What?
Joshua.
No.
Michael, what are you doing?
I'm putting sticks on that box because I'm using that little squared orange block to be a bomb.
A bomb? Why a bomb?
Because I'm playing soldiers.
Oh, you're playing that you're a soldier.
Uh-huh.
Joshua, turn around. Joshua. Shua.
Turn around.
Joshua.
No. Listen.
What?
Listen.
What?
Listen.
You stop.
He said shut up.
No, he didn't. He said you stop.
Oh.
You stop.
No, you stop. You stop.
You stop.
You stop.
Joshua. Joshua. You stop. What's Mikey doing? What's Mikey doing? Michael, are you ready to eat turkey? You're playing outside?
And I'm not ready to eat turkey. Not yet. Now I need dirt.
Say that again?
Now I need some dirt to cover the bomb.
Joshua,
What?
what'd she say? What? Where are you going? Turkey, turkey, turkey.
Michael, stop.
It's gonna blow up? Is it gonna go kaboom?
Yeah.
Kaboom! Oh no!
Let's get this and cover that bomb.
Gotta get back to cooking.